Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 7, that is the Protists and Fungi. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, which of the following is true of both fungi and some of the bacteria? Option A है, they both produce gametes. Option B, they both engulf the microscopic animals. Option C, they both absorb the materials across the cell wall. Option D, they both fix nitrogen. The right option है option C, they both absorb the material across the cell wall. Question 2 है, the cell wall consists of the following two overlapping shells in iglenites, diatoms, dinoflagellates या brown algae. तो ओवरलैपिंग जो होती है वो डायटम्स में होती है, क्योंकि डाइनोफ्लैजिलेट में इंटरलॉकिंग है और इग्लिनाइट में पेलिकल होता है, उसकी कोई भी शेल्स नहीं होते. क्वेश्चन 3 है, विच algal group is mismatched? Grey algae grows relative to land plants. Dinoflagellate two parts shell. Brown algae includes the largest seaweed. Diatoms phytoplankton. The right option है dinoflagellates two parts shell. Question number 4 है, the feeding stage of a slime mold is called hyphae, plasmodium, rhizoids या mycelium. The right option है option B, plasmodium. Question 5 है, which is found in slime mold but not in fungi? Option A, non-motile spores. Option B, amoeboid adults. Option C, zygote formation. Option D, photosynthesis. The right option है option B, amoeboid adult. Question 6 है, fungi resemble the animals because they are saprotrophs, autotrophs, heterotrophs या heterosporous. The right option है option C, heterotrophs. Question 7 है कि fungi cell wall contain chitin which is also found in the exoskeleton of arthropod, mollusk, echinoderms या chordates. The right option है option A, arthropods. Question 8 है, in the cell. Question 8 है, in the life cycle of an alternation of generation, multicellular haploid form alternate with option A, multicellular diploid form. Option B, unicellular diploid form. Option C, unicellular diploid form. Option D, multicellular haploid form. The right option है option A, multicellular diploid form. Question 9 है, which of the following is associated with the sexual reproduction in fungi? Zygospores, ascospores, basidospores या conidia. तो कोनिडिया का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो एक सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन करता है. क्वेश्चन 10 है, विच प्रोटिस्ट फॉर्म द कलरफुल एंड मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड मैसेस? इग्लिनाइट, सेलुलर स्लाइम मोल्ड, वाटर मोल्ड या प्लाज्मोडियम स्लाइम मोल्ड. द राइट ऑप्शन है प्लाज्मोडियम स्लाइम मोल्ड.